All right, if you're looking for guaranteed traffic for affiliate marketing that's going to get you instant results, then this video is for you. Richard Hairston here, and I want to share with you a traffic source that I've been using for a while that gets me instant results to my affiliate offers. Now, I want you to understand something. What I mean by results is you're going to be building your email list. That does not necessarily mean that you're going to earn sales, but you're building your email list with the hopes of making sales with your follow-up. So I want you to understand that, because I don't want to mislead you into thinking that you're going, when I say results, that you're actually going to make money. What I mean is that you're going to be building your email list with these people, and then you're going to follow with them through your autoresponder that you are using. Now, if you need an autoresponder, my Get Response link will be below. You can get response, start off free with that one, but I highly recommend that you send them to an opt-in page and then a bridge page where they get to know you, and then to the affiliate offer. Now, another thing that you can do is you can split test, and I'm not going to get deep into this, but you can split test your opt-in page, split test your bridge page, and your offers as well, to see which one will work. So that's another video for another time. But what I want to do right now is just show you how you can instantly get traffic to your affiliate offer within, I would say, at least 5 minutes. If it takes that long, you're going to start building your email list. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this right now, because I think you're going to be pleased. So let's do it right now. All right, so I'm in the back of a system called Traffic Zest. Now, Traffic Zest is a platform that's set up with vendors who already have an email list, and you're going to be renting their list, or you're going to be purchasing traffic from them through this system here. It's called Traffic Zest. If you look at the top, you'll be able to see the traffic campaign. This is the page we're on now. They have an affiliate program as well, and they have another system in here that if you purchase this system here, then you can earn a commission off of that as well. As you see right now, my balance is $241.56. You can add funds here by simply clicking to add funds when you are ready to make a purchase. Okay, so I would suggest that you have to start off with $100. So put your $100 in here so you can run your test campaign. So let's go back over to traffic campaigns. And then the traffic campaigns, the only thing you're going to do, just pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. Simply click on add new campaign. Here you're going to put your campaign name. It's whatever affiliate marketing product that you are promoting. If it's a Warrior Plus product, whatever, JV Zoo, put your campaign name here. Put your destination URL. I highly recommend, once again, make this an opt-in page. Do not send them straight to the offer, because if you do that, you're gonna, if you send them straight to the offer, you have no way of getting that person onto your email list, and you have lost them forever unless they come back, you know, somewhere else you're promoting, okay, and get in. So you want to put in your destination URL. You can add parameters here from the tracking software that you are using. If you're using a tracking software, you can do that. Put in the parameters here that's going to reflect back into your tracking software. So the next thing you want to do, once you do that, come down to scheduling. Now you can start your campaign now with no end date. I highly recommend that you do not do that, okay? You can start the campaign now, okay, and go with the schedule end date, or you can schedule a start. Today is the 22nd, so you can start it on the 23rd. And then you can end it, if you want to just go out, 5 days or so, you can end it on Saturday, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of you testing the traffic. And there's many parameters and things that you can set in here, but I'm just showing you the basic. So make sure you want to do this in case you forget. You don't want to just run through your budget, okay? So you can set your end date. Okay, you start and end date. You can start the campaign now, no end date, or you can start the campaign now and pick an end date and come out to the 30th. It doesn't matter, however you want to do it. The start campaign now actually going to start on the 22nd or the 23rd anyway. So just keep that in mind. So think about that. Now, before we get into the allowed traffic, I want to show you the block traffic blacklisted. This is where you can blacklist certain providers of traffic if you want to do that. You can blacklist certain countries if you want to do that. You can blacklist certain devices. You can blacklist operating system, and you can blacklist traffic tags, okay, which is all of these down through here. So just keep that in mind. You're not really going to use this probably until you actually do the allowed traffic anyway. So if you're doing affiliate marketing program, you can choose weight loss or health. I usually do make money online. Traffic providers. What you can do, if you're using a traffic tracking software, you can leave this wide open, okay? But another thing you can do is you come down through here and pick specific vendors, okay? Now, you got people in here like James Never Taylor, Jazz Deep Sing, Jazz Deep, or Delgado, Shiraz, Sean Askew, all of these people in here. You can pick one and use your tracking link to track their traffic, okay? You can pick one, you can pick two, however you want to do it. Just understand that when you're running your traffic, both of these are going to be running together, and you're only using this one link up here. So however you set that up in your tracking is going to be totally up to you. What I would do, okay, is specifically come down here and choose one. Just say Jazz Deep, okay? And we'll take the other one off. Just say I'm going to run with Jazz Deep. That's what I'm going to track his traffic through here, okay? The countries, you can pick tier 1 countries. All of those are lined up in there. That's totally up to you, okay? Basically, that's what I would go with, is tier 1 top tier countries, tier 1 English speaking, okay? You can pick second select international tier 1 countries as well, okay? That includes the United States, New Zealand, Canada, United Kingdoms, Australia, and it should have been one more. Anyway, they're in here as well. So you have that option to do that. I'm just going to delete all these. You can delete as many of them as you want. If you just want to do the United States, then you can just simply pick the United States. Okay, let's go down through here. We're going to delete all these. So if I just want to come down through here, you can type in United States of America. You can just pick United States. That's totally up to you. It's all about testing anyway, okay? So you're gonna pick one, side. You just decide you're gonna pick one vendor. You're gonna pick United States, or if you wanna go with the top tier countries, you can do that, okay? So device type, desktop, smartphone, tablet. Understand something right here. The bulk of your traffic is going to come from your smartphone, okay? So I don't worry too much about traffic. So you have to decide, smartphone is going to be the bulk of your traffic, and this means people are on the move. They could be at work, they could be sitting by the pool, they could be on vacation, whatever the case may be. And if something should happen that they don't finish it, that click that came from that phone is money you have spent. If you're looking for people that perhaps sitting at their desk, at their office, or specifically at home and they're searching for something, I would go for desktop, because one, that's going to keep your costs low, okay? And you can go cell phone if you want to do both. You can do both. That's totally up to you. One or the other, that's up to you. Or you can do all three. If you leave this blank, it's going to run all three of them, okay? Any of these fields here, from the traffic provider down, if you leave them blank, it's going to run them all. Operating system, I don't worry about that. You can if you want iOS or Windows or Mac or whatever the case may be. Here you want to be careful with the traffic tags. What are you looking for? I would not run funnel clicks. I would not run mixed clicks. I would only do email clicks, engaged clicks, or nurtured, one at a time. I don't do them all When I first started, I was doing them all, but you can just do email clicks. So let's go back up here, pick email clicks, and there you go. If you want to do engage, you can add that there as well. If you don't, take it off. Okay, that's totally up to you. Here, you're able to set your budget, your maximum cost per click. What are you willing to spend per click? 50 cents, 45 cents. Okay, and I'm gonna show you something here in a minute. The total budget is gonna stop the campaign when this budget is reached. Keep empty for unlimited. Okay, that's totally up to you. And your daily budget, what are you willing to spend daily? So you can choose that as well. You can go with $5 per day, $10 per day. It does $1 per day if you want to. That's totally up to you. Okay, I've never tried accelerated. Always leave it on daily budget distribution. Now, once you fill out all of this information over here on this side, it's going to show you your campaign will start now if unpaused. Okay, so if I come over here to click schedule and campaign will start now, I'm going to click the 23rd. You see, it's campaign will start tomorrow if unpaused. Okay, campaign will run stop. We're going to come over here and we're going to schedule a run. We're going to end it on the 27th. It's going to stop in 5 days. It's going to tell you who you're targeting, make money online niche. You have added some traffic restrictions, traffic providers, countries, and traffic tags. Okay, your total budget for this campaign is unlimited. That's why you may want to come over here and decide, once you invest that $100 in here, set your budget. Come down here and set your total budget, whatever you want to invest, you know, daily anyway. And it doesn't matter if you want to do, just say if I go $10, okay. So you see my total budget for this campaign, unlimited with maximum spend $10 per day. All of that can be added in there. And then here on this last one is going to show you based on your current targeting, there are 842 clicks per day at the cost of 84 cents up to 90 cents. You remember, you're using Jazz Deep. If you want to go back and remove Jazz, okay, now you're empty because you have removed Jazz Deep. Now it's down to 31 cents, okay, up to 95 cents. That means you're using all of the providers. So keep that in mind as well. So if you want to come over here and let's say if we go through this list and we want to choose, let's just say Wilford. Okay, so now you can see your click, your 204 clicks per day based on your current targeting at 45 cents per click up to 47 cents per click. Okay, so if you want to add another one, all of that changes as you add. Let's add Sean. You see the price change, 31 cents, okay, up to 67 cents. You want, so that's totally up to you. You have to choose how you want to do this, as if you was doing Google ads or Microsoft ads or any other type of ads. Just, you control the budget, you control your ad spend, okay? Just remember that. So go through this process, you know, and I would say test it out. You know, who do you want to do? In this list right here, you know, I can show you some of the providers I have used in the past. I have used Brandon, I have used Gabe, I have used Glenn, I've used Jazz Deep, I've used Sean, and I've used Wilford. I have let this run and just use all of them, but you want to be able to track, okay, who is giving you the best bang for your bucks, okay? You want to do that. So I would say click the link in the description, go ahead and pick up Traffic Zest now, okay? And go ahead on and invest, you know, $100 in here, and then test your traffic with your offer. Remember, you want to be testing. You want to split test your opt-in pages, split test your bridge page, split test your affiliate offer, unless you have just one affiliate offer, but split test, you know, changing up different things here and there and making sure it's work for you, because you want the best bang for your buck. Once you get all of this information where you want it, you're going to click on active and save campaign, and within 5 minutes, if it takes that long, you will have instant traffic, guaranteed traffic, to your affiliate offer instantly. So go ahead, click the link in the click the link in the description below to go ahead and get signed up with Traffic Zest. It's free to sign up to test out the system. It's free to sign up and go through here and play with everything. If you have any questions or need any help, just let me know, okay? And I will get back with you as soon as I can. And you don't want to save anything, discharge all changes, okay? Discharge all changes. So that's how that works. This is going to get you instant traffic. Unlike Udemy, you know, it depends on what days they're able to send your mailing. And most of the people that you saw in here, some of these people are on Udemy anyway. Okay, so go ahead, click the link in the description below. Get signed up with Traffic Zest. Start getting instant traffic, guaranteed traffic to your affiliate offer today. If you have any questions, just get in contact with me. Leave me a comment below. Like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for other traffic sources that I'm going to share with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.